So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create a watch list here on the Questrade application. So once you open up Questrade, what I want you to do is I want you to scroll down to where it says positions right here and simply press on where it says watch list just like this. Now where it says watch list, I want you to go ahead and press on create watch list just like this. You can go ahead and name it whatever you want. So my watch list one will be the name right here. You can go ahead and actually add a symbol as well. So if you wanted to add a symbol, we'll type in this one right here, press on the star, then press on done, then press on done, then all of a sudden you've created your watch list here on your Questrade account. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to create a watch list here on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.